So today we're going to start setting base cabinets. First, I have to do a little water line work so I can set the sink base. So we'll drain the house down and then we'll get started. So I've got these marks that I've translated from the cabinet above. And as you can see, this mark here is a 1/4 inch over to this crow's foot. And the crow's foot is the outer edge of that trim above. And that's how I translate down. That way they line up. So visually, it looks like these two cabinets stack on top of each other. so now that I've got this cabinet in, what's mostly critical is that these two are square. And believe me, when the guy comes to cut the counter, he's going to want that. So you always want to be sure that these are square. Now you can see right here that even though it's pretty close, there's a subtle gap here, maybe like a heavy 1/16 of an inch. So what you want to be cautious of is this actually bows in. Lay your level and flush that on that edge, and flush this one back here. Then you'll know for sure that it's pretty close. Now, just like the cabinets on the wall, I'm always critical that these cabinets are planing and flat. So you always want to take your time, and remember, once you get this cabinet squared out, when you have this cabinet, you may need to adjust in or out, as well as plumb and level, and get it to the wall line. So again, always take your time, don't be rushed. So you may be wondering, this dead space between the two cabinets here, normally you could put a blind, but what I'm going to do is make a ledge and actually make a dummy bottom, and I'll cut through this sink base cabinet and tie it together so it'll seem like it's one cabinet. So I'm not sure exactly how we're going to do that, but my predominant focus right now is to get the cabinets installed. That way they can do the counter measurements. So this looks pretty level, and I only have one base cabinet left over here, the one I started the clip with. Just needs a small filler and we'll install it. So we'll do that tomorrow morning. And we'll also get all the new cabinets on the exterior wall installed. So for right now, just going to clean everything up, and I'll see you next time.